my name's Claire.louisa.cummins and I'm just about to perform a monologue, and it's from one of my favourite plays. It's called The Caged Birds by David Campton, and the play is all about 7 women who get trapped in a house and they have a new arrival called the Wild One, and she's not too happy to be there, and this is her monologue about trying to convince the others to escape and get out. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you, and please subscribe. Alright then. Let me put myself in your place. How long have you been here? Days, weeks, months, years? Are you content to just sit there? As time slides by, all the days, weeks, months, years to come, is there no room left in your mind for anything but prejudice and fear? You've all been denied your human basic rights. And you don't even care. Were you ever like me? Did you ever beat down the door, shout protested slanders, complain about the injustice of it all given time? Well, I become just like you. Never. Listen to me. You are all gonna listen to me. The world stretches further than the few inches between your ears. There is a whole world outside there. Listen! 'Cause you can be free, all of you. A door is just a door, and enough hands can break it down. Oh, listen, must I be caged in because you're lacking the willpower? I have no right, do I? No right to commit such an outrage. No, I didn't. I couldn't succeed because you're not alive, because if you were, you'd be beating down that door with me, all shoulders together, thud, pow, crash, bang. But you just sit there. I am sorry. But I am the Wild One, and no cage has been built to hold me.